Discover your alpine paradise in the heart of the Colorado Rockies. Welcome to Wander Mount Crested Butte. I'm Monica, and I'm showing you this remarkable mountain retreat with 5 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping up to 10, 3 luxurious bathrooms, a private hot tub, unforgettable mountain and forest views, plus direct access to world-class skiing. Let's go inside. The living room is beautifully designed with a modern aesthetic and natural elements. The cozy contemporary seating area features a plush sectional for comfort and style, complemented by the deep brown leather accent chairs that add some warmth to the space, with a chic ottoman, coffee table, contrasting decor elements, an array of decorative pillows, all tying the space in together. With a large flat screen TV up against this beautiful black accent wall above our sleek fireplace, not only does this operate as a focal point of the room, but a gathering place with expansive windows and sliding glass doors, flooding the room with natural light and offering beautiful views of the mountain and forest. This place is truly a place to connect with family. With this rustic chandelier, the vaulted ceilings, the steel beams, really adding to the luxury of the ambiance of this room. The gourmet kitchen is stunning. It features high-end finishes and this beautiful black and white geometric tile backsplash that adds some style and artistry to the space. Now, this textured deep wood cabinetry not only adds some warmth, making the space inviting, but it contrasts really nicely with the sleek stone countertops, adding to that feel of luxury. With ample light coming through these expansive windows above the sink, it will make doing dishes not a chore anymore, but a breeze. And this sink is amazing, making cleanup great. And of course, the kitchen is fully equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances and stocked with everything you need to prep a delicious meal. But let's talk about the star of the show. I like to call this the Infinity Island because of the way this beautiful stone pools over to the side. So not only is it functional, but it acts as a beautiful modern art piece. And because of the dark tones, it makes cleanup nice and a breeze. Just imagine with your friends getting a charcuterie out, doing a wine tasting. This is the spot. Or you can make a delicious meal with your family. But if you don't feel like making one yourself, don't worry, we've got you covered because you can reach out to our Wander Concierge and they will recommend you the top private chefs in the area to prep something absolutely magnifique. And where can you enjoy these meals? At the kitchen island, we have these chic leather bar stools for 5 for something more casual. Or in the dining area, we have this expansive wooden table with seating for 8. But if you want something more, follow me to the patio. Just off the dining room, step outside onto the balcony where a cozy seating area and luxurious stone fireplace awaits. To the right, we have a high-quality Weber barbecue, as well with a bar-height little dining area for 2. So this makes it a great space for a delicious barbecue, as well as another door with direct access to the kitchen, making it easy to prep and clean up. Now, one of the best features of the home has to be the cohesive indoor to outdoor experience. You get access to unforgettable views from every area of the house, but especially here on the balcony, you can soak up the sounds of nature, breathe in the fresh air, all while from the comfort of your porch. The primary bedroom is airy and bright, providing a serene and inviting retreat. You can enjoy a plush king-size bed with a rich wooden headboard that adds a touch of rustic charm. The vaulted ceilings have a modern chandelier hanging, adding to the elegant ambiance. We also have a large flat screen TV for all your entertainment needs. And for all my reading lovers, we have a cozy armchair that functions as a great book nook. But the best part has to be the large windows and glass doors that frame the rolling hills and outdoor greenery perfectly. Waking up in the morning to a view like this, putting on my Wander robe with a cup of coffee, sitting down on a private balcony, one of these 2 swivel chairs, and just basking in the glory of nature is just one of the best parts about this location. The primary ensuite bathroom has to be one of my favorite rooms in the house. It is just so luxurious. It comes with dual vanities with, again, the rich cabinetry that contrasts really nicely with the sleek stone countertops, giving you plenty of room to get ready, so it's functional and very elegant. At the heart of the bathroom, we have this gorgeous freestanding white bathtub, ideal for relaxation, and right above it, these large windows so you can enjoy the scenery while you take a warm soak. Right above me, again, the vaulted ceilings adding to the spaciousness, but we have this unique, beautiful white antler chandelier. Right behind the freestanding bathtub, we have a place to put your Epsom salts, all your self-care needs, and there's a heated towel warmer for a touch of elegance. There's nothing like getting into a hot bath, coming out, putting on a warm towel for the ultimate spa-like experience. Now, not only is our walk-in shower stunning, but it's a steam shower with 2 large shower heads and a handheld shower head, and the tile is just absolutely beautiful. Each Wander bathroom is stocked with luxurious amenities to ensure we exceed your expectations. We have hand-picked, curated, high-quality shampoos, body washes, and conditioners to ensure that you can envelop yourself in indulgence. We've also provided convenient for your use plush bathrobes, towels, and slippers. There's nothing like slipping this on after a long day and getting an at-home spa-like travel vacation experience. Trust me, these are my favorite. They're so soft. In every Wander bedroom, we strive to enhance your sleep experience, so you rest better here than you do at home. With our cutting-edge smart technology, we can ensure that you wake up feeling invigorated and well-rested. You can also customize to your preferred sleep experience. Whether you want something more firm or soft, our smart technology has you covered. And you're also covered when it comes to chargers, because we have these very conveniently placed chargers on every bedside for phones, Apple Watches, and AirPods, so you don't have to worry about those and you can sleep peacefully. This spacious home features 4 additional bedrooms, 2 with queen-size beds, 1 with a full-size bed, and this room right here with 2 twin-size bunk beds, and it also includes a flat-screen TV and 2 really cute bean bags, so it's a great place to keep the kids entertained. With plenty of room and privacy, it's the perfect retreat for larger groups. Just downstairs, you will find yourself in a contemporary, spacious mudroom with plenty of storage and a nearby laundry room. Now, this room is ideal for all those ski enthusiasts because just outside this door, you have a place to hang all of your skis, your boots, all of your outerwear, and direct access to some world-class ski runs. This is really a true winter wonderland retreat. Well, that's it for the interior of this amazing home, but there are a few more things you should know about that will enhance your trip. Enhance your family vacation with Wander. Let us supply you must-have children's items like cribs and high chairs, freeing up valuable luggage and mental space. The backyard patio offers a spacious, private oasis perfect for unwinding and dining at the end of a long day. It's great for hosting large family groups with plenty of seating for 8 here at our luxurious, elegant dining table. If you're looking for a more serene spot, we have our 2 Adirondack chairs with a side table, which is perfect for enjoying a hot cup of tea and soaking in the incredible views. Step outside into the back patio where a soothing hot tub awaits, where you can unwind after a long day of hitting the slopes or hanging out with friends. Perfect for all year comfort, whether it's winter, summer. It's the perfect way to get a spa-like experience, whether you're enjoying the stars or soaking up the sun. You may be wondering, what is the best way to get to Wander Mount Crested Butte? Well, the closest airport is the Gunnison Crested Butte Regional Airport, located about 33 miles away and approximately a 50-minute drive. We highly recommend that you rent a car during your stay. However, you can always opt for an Uber or Lyft. Do you ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, don't worry, because we have a travel guide you can watch after this video with our recommendations of the best things to do, places to see, and places to eat. If you need more specific help, you can reach out to our Wander Concierge 24/7. Just text this number right here for all of your needs. At Wander, we believe life's special moments, such as weddings and family gatherings, should be celebrated together. And our properties serve as the perfect backdrop for those special occasions. So whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, or a milestone family reunion, or any other special occasion, Wander can create those unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to discover more about how you can make your next gathering extra extraordinary. Thanks for joining me at Wander Mount Crested Butte. We cannot wait to welcome you. Make sure to check out our travel guide after this video for all the best tips and tricks of places to see and things to eat and things to do in the surrounding area. We will see you next time.